Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends, with another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. What is cracking, everybody? Shoot, dude. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world, baby, and always transforming that mindset, dude. Always building your psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the channel, welcome to the freaking rock show, dude. You guys, on this channel, we talk about confidence building, we talk about mindset, we talk about the law of attraction, we talk about everything that has to do with personal development and quantum physics and our psychology. You want to learn what's going on behind the scenes of your reality? You want to learn what's going on behind the scenes of your psychology? Because what's going on behind the scenes of your psychology is actually what's creating your reality, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so, if you guys are new here to the channel, consider subscribing if you guys like this kind of information. But today, my friends, I want to share with you some insights on vibrational communication codes to building more confidence. You want to learn how to tap into universal vibrational communication codes of reality to building the kind of confidence you want? Because here's what's crazy, dude. You're already doing it. You see what I'm saying here, baby? You're already using these tools in your life. This is why it's powerful. Because you're already using this information in your life to give you the kind of energy, the kind of reality, the kind of confidence or lack thereof that you have in your life. Because most people, you tell the average person, hey, check it out. I'm going to talk to you today about vibrational communication codes. Vibrational communication codes to building confidence, right? For more confidence, right? Yeah, but here's what's crazy. You see, right now, you're hearing me communicate with you, right? Can we not both agree? You're hearing me communicate with you right now. This communication that I'm having with you right now, it's a code. Did you know that? Most people don't know that, dude. Yeah, buddy, they don't. And so here's the thing. Words locked together create codes of communication. This is everyone. This is everyone's walking around out in society thinking and talking not only to each other, but to themselves. First and foremost, to themselves. Because see, the human organism cannot move forward without communication with itself. The human organism, listen what I'm going to say, this is going to blow your mind if you ain't ever heard it before, dude. The human organism cannot live life, cannot think for itself or do anything without communication with itself. See, just like a regular computer that you have, your phone cannot operate like a phone without it communicating with itself first. Did you know that? Yeah, buddy, baby. Most people don't know that, dude. And so, vibration, right? Luke, what are you talking about? Vibrational communication codes. You guys, you're hearing this communication that I'm sharing with you. It's a code. That means it's locked together in a certain way. And because it's locked together in a certain way, you're receiving the intellectual intel of this information. See, what I'm creating right here is not only communication, but it's intellectual property. It's intellectual insight. And because it's who I am, it carries a certain vibration. That everything has a vibration in the world. Everything. You're a vibrational frequency. Your whole body, it vibes, right? You've heard of that before, right? Some goody vibes, dude. Right? Yeah, of course. And so here's the thing. Your vibration sets the tonality of your day. It's how you communicate with yourself. You see, and all of us do this all the time. We have this communication going on with ourselves. The most powerful story in the world, the most powerful words in the world are the words that you say to yourself. Because here's the thing. It creates the vibrational influence. See, below here, see, you have a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. This is going to blow your mind if you ain't ever heard it before. You have a conscious mind, but then you have a subconscious mind. And see, here's the thing. Most people don't realize that below their neck, there's a whole nother code of information going on in their subconscious mind. See, your body is the subconscious mind. It is subcategory to the conscious mind. And here's what's crazy. The subconscious mind is the program, the coded programming that holds all your past experiences. It holds everything that you've ever experienced in life. Your subconscious mind holds the coding. Your subconscious mind is so powerful that it literally pumps your heart, filters your blood, keeps you alive, digests your food without you even thinking about that. That's how powerful your subconscious mind is. And not only that, it's all communicating with each other. See, the vibrational communication code that your body has with itself, it's communicating with everything inside, with all your cells. Your heart's communicating with everything in your body. Your heart's communicating with your liver and your lungs to breathe and inhale and exhale and eat food and digest food and, refilter your blood and change your, old cells are dying off, new cells are coming back. It's a whole nother code below the surface of your conscious mind. And most people, you guys, they're consciously locked on the 3D world, getting controlled by information out there. And that's cool. That's the reality that man lives in. But I'm here to tell you right now that you have a vibrational communication code inside that you can tap into to rock your confidence, to rock the personality you want. Because here's the thing, baby. All the code that's below our surface, it is a 40 million bit processor. Your subconscious mind is a 40 million bit processor. The conscious mind is a 40 bit processor. Not 40 million, 40 bit. That's it. That means you have two sets of awareness. You don't even know it. You have two separate sets of information that you're working with and you don't even know it. Your conscious mind is one part of you that you're aware of. You're not aware of the other part of you. See, if you were aware of the other part of you all the time, you'd go crazy. That's why you have two separate sets of awareness. Your conscious mind can only handle so much information. And then guess what? Your subconscious mind, it picks up all the other energy fields around you, all the other information around you, without you having to consciously pay attention to it. That should blow your mind, dude. Because here's the thing. Thought is the language of the mind. See, thoughts are the language of the mind. But emotions, emotional communication, emotional intelligence are the feelings of the body. Are the language of the body. That should blow your mind, baby. Thoughts are the language of the mind. Feelings are the language of the body. And most people, they're not really paying attention to the communication they're having inside. They're not paying attention, so they don't know how to use internal confidence for the most part. Yes, certain people have certain level of confidence, but we're talking about vibrational communication codes to use to build more confidence, right? To have more confidence, right? Yeah, buddy. And the most powerful communication you can have is the communication you have with yourself. No one else. Yes, that comes second, but first, see, to the extent that you're an effective communicator with yourself is to the effect that you're going to be an excellent communicator with the outside world. The better the communication, the more success you have in life. The better the communication, the more confidence you have in life. The better the communication, the more happiness you have in life. The better the communication, the more positivity you have in life. That should blow your mind, dude. Because guess what? Vibrational communication codes. See, we tell ourselves information. We're sending codes. I'm speaking light codes to you right now, dude. Boom, boom, boom. Positive, confident, courageous, strong, happy, successful, motivated. You see what I'm saying? Those are codes, baby. This code that I send to you is information. That information carries electrical energy, vibrational frequencies. And those frequencies charge our energy field, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes. Most people don't know that. And so this code that's below the surface of us, most people have no clue that there's a code there. It's our emotional intelligence. It's the communication that we have with ourselves. It's what we're telling ourselves. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Yeah, buddy. That's part of what doing these videos is. That's why I love doing these videos. That's why I rock a podcast. That's why I rock these videos. That's why I decided to do this full time. That's why I decided to create my own work. Because see, I wasn't happy doing what everyone else is doing. And that's cool. It's there. It needs to be there. This isn't for everyone, but it was for me. Because for me, I'm like, dude, I'm communicating with myself. I know what I want to create. I know what I want to do. I've seen other people doing it. I'm an entrepreneur. It's my freaking grassroots, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so guess what? Vibration, right? Vibrational communication codes. See, you're going to be vibing with a certain vibration after listening to this information. That's why I do this information. See, you can only carry the energy of the information you're locked onto. And then to the depth of your beliefs, see, all your beliefs live inside, deep inside your subconscious coding, your subconscious mind. See, below your conscious mind, there's a whole nother world of codes that your body uses. It uses memories, it uses past experiences, it uses beliefs. And beliefs are the strongest, most deep-rooted ideas and stories and communication that you have with yourself. This is why you believe what you believe. This is why you believe you can or you can't do something. This is why you believe you can have more confidence or you believe you can't. That should blow your mind, dude, because you can have whatever you set your intention on. You can have whatever you decide to vibe with, baby. Because your vibe attracts your tribe, dude. Yeah, buddy. And here's the thing. You're always in communication with yourself, always. You tell yourself an idea, guess what? You're going to hear the communication code come back of yes or no. Of yes you can or no you can't. More confidence or less confidence. And so for me, I started to make changes because I was like, you know what? I want more confidence, dude. I want more success. I want more motivation. I want more courage. I want more happiness. I want more positivity in my life. I want more enthusiasm. I want more charisma, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Why? Because when you're charismatic, you're authentic. When you're confident and have like good, strong confidence, you're authentic, dude. You don't have these fears that people tend to pick up. Or because you're identifying with information all the time. And that information creates the vibration of how you communicate with yourself. And so you can always tell if a person's real successful because if they or not successful. Because if they have a really bad life, they have bad communication with themselves. This is why people who are bums on the street, they look real messed up. You feel real bad for them. They're walking around, they're all dirty, talking to nobody. They're trying to figure it out, dude. They haven't figured it out. Because they didn't keep growing. See, you have to, just like your body eats regular food, your mind feeds on psychology. It feeds on information. Good information, bad information. Positive information, negative information. And if you don't keep feeding your mind with new growth, new psychology, new awareness, guess what, dude? Your vibration stays living in the past. That was freaking huge right there, dude. Your vibration gets locked into the communication of last year, the year before, 5 years back, 10 years back, because you're not growing. You're not making changes. You're not creating a new reality. You're not building the type of success. So the only thing you have to work with if you don't keep growing is the same information that you were working with 10 years ago. And it's just on repeat over and over and over again. And so you don't get to create the type of confidence. You don't get to create the type of reality because you haven't been growing, dude. You haven't been paying attention to how you're communicating with yourself. You see what I'm saying here, buddy? Vibrational communication codes to building confidence. You want to learn how to have more confidence? You have to have more communication. More communication with yourself, more communication codes with your beliefs. Because if you tell yourself you don't believe it, hey, guess what, dude? You ain't going to believe it. Why would you believe something you tell yourself not to believe? This is what blows my mind. People want you to make them somehow believe that they should be this. No one can make you believe anything. If you tell yourself not to believe it, you're not going to believe it. I can tell myself, hey, don't be confident, and believe that, and I won't be confident. You see what I'm saying here? That means we are in charge of the communication we have with ourselves. There's language patterns everywhere. Those language patterns are we're either agreeing with or we're not agreeing with. And guess what? There's all kinds of data and information that comes with those language patterns. And to the extent that we effectively communicate with ourselves is to the extent that we gain that type of confidence. We gain that type of authenticity. We gain that type of courage. We gain that type of motivation. We gain that type of personality, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And that, my friends, is how vibrational communication codes work in relation to what we want. If we decide that we don't want that, hey, dude, we're not going to get that. But guess what? For me, I decided that's what I want. I'm going to go buy all the tools that I need. I'm going to go buy my camera. I'm going to go buy my recorder. I'm going to go do podcasting. I'm going to talk about this information. I'm going to talk about that information. Why? Because that builds the neuro pathways inside, and those codes get stored inside of me. Now, when I think a thought or make a choice, I'm extrapolating and pulling from the treasure, the communication codes from the treasure that I planted inside. Because what you plant inside produces what's outside. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's how to do it, baby. But if you guys are new here to the channel, baby, consider subscribing. If you guys like the video, boom, big old Hulk smash, dude. Boom. Yeah, buddy. And hit the little bell notification if you guys want to receive updates when I rock these videos, dude. But one of the things that you can implement right now is just paying attention to how you're talking to yourself. Paying attention to how you're communicating with yourself. If you don't like it, start changing it. If you're stuck in this pattern of this and that and not good and you can't do it, you have to shift. You have to change the codes that you've already learned to agree with. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, you guys. That's all I got for you guys today. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Whatever you tell yourself, you always get. Whatever you tell yourself, the most you always get.